Let's look at what is called measure, or what are called measures of central tendency. Now, here, these really are specific numbers, all right, that other numbers tend towards. Three common ones are the mean, median, and the mode. At least that's the order in which I usually hear them being mentioned. But we want to look at the mode first, then the median, and then the mean. Now, the mode is the value that occurs most often. In other words, it has the highest frequency. It is there more often than any other value. Suppose you have some numbers. I want to find the mode of a particular distribution. And these are the numbers that we have dealing with. We have 5. I want my numbers to be a bit larger. 2, 17, 15, 8. Question: what is the mode? Let me see. 5 is there only one time, 2 is there once, 17 once, 15 is there once, 8 is there once, but there's no mode here, right? We need to have a number that is there more often than other numbers, so we don't have a mode. So let's go on and try again. 17. Now what is the mode? Let's see. I see 17 two times, and the other numbers are there only once. So 17 is the mode. Alright? So here I have the mode is 17. Let me make a little adjustment. I have 16, 17. Here, what is the mode? Again, I see 17 3 times, and the other numbers only once. We stretch this out a bit, so 17 is indeed the mode. 5. Now what is the mode? I see 17 here, here, and here 3 times. I see 5 2 times. I see 2 1 time, 15 1 time, 8 1 time, 16 1 time. Now 17 is there 3 times. The other numbers are there only 2 times or less. So 17 is the mode. You see that? Make a little adjustment again. 5. What is the mode? Let's see. I see 5, 1, 2, 3 5s. 17, I see 1, 2, 3 17s. I see 1, 2, 1, 15, only 1, 8. Alright, we have a little situation here. We have 17 3 times, and we have 5 3 times. Okay, in this case, you see that you can have more than one mode. Alright? It's called a bimodal. We have more than one mode, so we can say the modes are 5 and 17. You have 2 modes here, 5 and 17. You see that? because 5 is there 3 times, 17 is there 3 times, and every other number is there less than 3 times. Let's do something else. 5. What is the mode? Let me see something. We have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We have 17 3 times. Every other number only 1 time. So we're going back. The mode is 5. In this case, we're going back to only one mode. So the mode is 5. Okay, so the mode is the value that is there more often than the others. The mode is important. If, for example, you want to set up an auto parts store in a certain town, you will invest more in the parts of the cars that you see more often in the town. The most common cars, you buy more parts for it. For example, you see more Toyota Corollas than any other car, you will invest in more Toyota Corollas. Alright? It's just a general auto parts where you store parts for different vehicles. There are some auto parts stores that are specialized. They have only Mazda parts, only Ford parts, only BMW parts, only Nissan parts. They specialize. But in this case, it's just a general auto parts store. People with various vehicles come in, ask if you have this part for that car, and you say yes if you have it, no if you don't have it, and you sell them. So the mode is Toyota Corolla. You will invest in more Toyota Corolla parts based on your observation and market research. Alright, so the mode is quite important in that case. One drawback is that it doesn't really it doesn't take into account the other numbers, right? But it's still important though. We will look at the median in a different video, so I will see you later.